Hey, Felipe. So I recently went in contract on a property that had tenants occupied, and I actually just dropped it this weekend. Um, and there's two other duplexes that I went in contract with, and they are I asked it for to be uh, vacant upon delivery,
Mhm.
and they're delivering that, so which is great. But I was just wondering for future reference, because that other one that had the tenants, they were like, we're not doing any vacancies or anything like that. And I know you mentioned before you preferred your properties be delivered vacant, and I can definitely see why that's advantageous. And I'm wondering if there's any other tips or tricks you have for trying to achieve that, considering that somebody else is selling you the property and they have the control over whether or not they deliver it vacant. And obviously, I'm asking, when I'm making the offer for delivered vacant, but I didn't know if there's anything else that I can do to try to push that. Um,
Yeah, so it's there's not much you really have to do. It's just put it in your contract. Hey, the property needs to be vacant before taking ownership, and then walk it 24 hours before. It's
okay, so
yeah.
basically, if they say no, there's no other incentives or anything that you can build in to get them to deliver it vacant.
No, I just don't buy the
Okay,
property. I would never buy a deal with a tenant in it
okay, okay. Thank you.
unless well, yeah. I mean, I just got a delivery. I was gonna say I have if it's properly managed with a property management company. So I wouldn't buy one if it wasn't like we've bought some in Augusta that's have tenants in them. We upped the rent by like $100 a day of closing. By the next month, the rent was up. Tenant wanted to stay. Bing bang bang.
Okay, okay, yeah. Just because I definitely see the advantage of being able to underwrite your own tenants, and then also the market rents are better than what it may be getting, etc.
You also don't know what bad habits tenants are coming with, and that's a
Right.
huge red flag.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.